Welcome back to Ava's Awesome Adventures. Today's gonna be another awesome day because today we're gonna be going through this haunted car wash with the whole family.
Yeah, woo!
And Hudson is pumped up for this. Say hi. Yeah, we're gonna be going through a haunted car wash.
Are you gonna be knocking on the windows?
Yeah, and they're even gonna knock on our windows, and there's gonna be clowns and stuff inside the car wash. So let's get started. Hey guys, when we're driving on our way, this is a little spooky. There is a full moon over there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is a full big moon. It is really creepy. Like, I never seen a moon that round and like that big.
Here we go, Ava. We just got here. Splashy's car wash. Clowntown. I don't know about you, Ava, but freaky clowns freak me out. We are here 45 minutes early and there's already a line.
Guys, check this out. They're already starting to get in their costumes. It's so cool. I'm so excited to see when they're gonna come up to our car and knock on the door.
Check it out, Hudson. This is what you've been waiting for. Wow. Hello. You're so polite. Woo! We're fired up, aren't we? Look at him. I'll protect you. Look at him.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
We're good.
Hey, little man.
He's having a ball. He's saying hello.
Hello.
He walked right up by Hudson. Hudson didn't see her coming. Oh, they're cornering us. I think we're in trouble.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
She's smiling for the camera with a nice bag.
Oh jeez.
Oh.
Hudson, watch out.
Hi. You're so friendly, buddy. Hey,
Oh my gosh!
Ava,
She's
someone's
looking.
here for you.
Oh, stop!
You're so sneaky.
What is wrong with you?
She's just coming to make friends.
I think she wants to play.
Calm down, camera.
I think she was angry.
That was a great scream.
Oh my gosh, that was creepy. Guys, you need to go here right now and try to get scared. Jack, did you pee?
That one was scary, wasn't it?
Oh my gosh, let's see what's next.
Oh my God! Hi!
Oh my gosh.
Creepy.
How you doing?
Hudson, this is your type of party, man.
Yeah. You are adorable.
Hi.
And hi, Facebook. Hi, YouTube. Hi, TikTok.
Hello. Oh.
Oh, go.
Go.
You don't want to be friends?
Hudson, you just made him mad.
Feelings. You said you didn't want to be his friend.
He said yeah.
Guys, this is getting a little intense and creepy.
Scared really easily.
Oh, jeez. Guys, we're moving. Wait, what? Oh my.
Scary.
That was my goal.
That was a
Did you
good
miss
one.
me, buddy?
Yeah.
You're my favorite.
Oh my gosh. I bet you're earlier.
I know. I told you I'd come back.
Are you a skeleton?
Yes, my name's Bones.
Bones.
Hi,
Hi, Bones.
Can I have that?
No.
I want to touch it.
You gonna give him Donald Duck? Can he say hi?
Yeah,
Hi.
I love Donald Duck.
There you go. Oh, that was really nice.
And then I are best friends.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah.
I love him.
Uh-oh, we need him back.
You do.
Yeah.
Well, you won't need him for much long. You're dying soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Now guys, this clown is
Jack's running away from it. Should we say hi? Hello. Jack. Hudson, hello.
Oh, where'd he go?
I think he left. Oh. Oh.
He's off.
He's playing peekaboo with you. It's okay. All right, we can't run over his toes. She creeps me out.
Daddy, please don't roll down the window. Please don't roll down. Oh!
We are almost all the way up here.
He's doing
Doing jumping jacks, you count nuts.
Daddy, please don't roll down. Ouchie!
Oh, where'd he go?
You can hear him laughing outside.
Hey, Cass.
Oh my gosh.
Hi!
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, here we go. Look up there. Oh, the hanging head.
Oh, look at the guy that's
The little. Oh. Oh, he's waving us in, Hudson. I'm so distracted, I think I would forget to put our car in neutral. That we're actually at a car wash.
Oh my gosh, this person over here that's gonna spray us down. Oh my gosh, she looks like Barb.
Oh my gosh. That person is terrifying. Oh, it says to exit the car.
Hi there.
Look here.
Oh jeez, please get out your nose.
Oh look, it's just our cars going up against our nose.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
That must hurt her throat.
Oh, now we can't see. Oh, there she is again. Ah! They're shaking the car. Our whole car's shaking. thought somebody was for sure gonna be out there.
That was it. Guys, wasn't that awesome? But a little spooky because clowns came up to our window and they made us scream, and that one that was screaming, her throat must have hurt. But that was the next epic time. So make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on notification, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Happy Halloween!